Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you were asking for a video about the stuff you should bring to the hostel from your homes whenever you will come for physical verification. So as you all know, you have physical verification on 29th and 30th of this month. So all of you must be packing your stuff. So the university is not in Bhatinda, but it's not like very far away from Bhatinda. So like if you want, you can buy stuff from Bhatinda. Otherwise there is the market outside the university and that have almost everything. You can find anything there, but still if you want like a very high quality good stuff, you can go to Bhatinda. And you cannot book a cab or rickshaw from Gudda to Bhatinda, but from Bhatinda you can do that. So make sure if you are coming from Bhatinda, you like get the number of the taxi or the rickshaw driver you are coming with. And what else? So the day you will come for your physical verification, you are not going to directly get the hostel. You have to wait here, and the sitting arrangement and accommodation, I think it's not up to the level that that's the word I will use, because there are a lot of people and the space is very limited. So make sure you don't have a lot of stuff. And for your first day, you are going to find the hostel distance from hostel to university very long, because you are going to have stuff with you. So make sure you bring little to no stuff with you, okay? And you can also parcel your stuff from your home. I will like give you the address in the link, not in the link, in the description of the here post office. Here you can parcel. And if you are someone who's planning to order stuff from online, you can like use the university's address, the whole address that is, and your phone number, like the address you use usually on your shopping apps, okay? So let's start from the beginning. The hostel is only going to provide you bed, bedside table, chair and cupboard. So the things you have to bring with you is mattress, bed sheet, pillow cover. So make sure you have like 2 to 3 pillow cover and bed sheets with you. At night sometime it's like cold, so you can like use your bed sheet as your blanket, or maybe you can just bring a thin blanket with you. And mosquito net and Odomos. And if that coil type thing for mosquitoes, because at night sometime it's like a lot of mosquitoes are there. And now let's talk about personal hygiene. Bath towel 2 to 3, and toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, body wash, shampoo, conditioner and nail cutter if you are a man, shaving kit if you are a woman, I mean जो भी होता है shaving kit for women, or sanitary items like pad, tampons or menstruation cup. And also basket, no basket, you should like bring a basket with you to like keep your stuff in it. You can find it on Meesho or Amazon. And also bucket, mug, it's not provided, so make sure you have that. And let's talk about the clothes, your daily wear clothes, your undergarments, your night wear if you go like wear formal clothes if needed. And there are like a lot of festivities and like things are going on in the university, to make sure you have some traditional clothes or western clothes. And laundry bag, there is a laundry if you feel like. I don't think it's a necessity to bring your laundry bag or something like that, but if you want you can bring it. And footwear, make sure you like bring slippers, because it's very hot and humid outside, it's very hard to wear shoes. So you should have slippers. I mean you can bring shoes, it's up to you, but you should have slippers for like university. And raincoat, I don't think anyone wears raincoat, but if you are someone who likes, you can get it. And umbrella. For eating items, bring your plate, bowl, spoon, fork, cup, mug, glass and water bottle. Bring a flask one जिसमें पानी गर्म या ठंडा रहता है, because it's more convenient. And about, you can also bring a electrical kettle, you can use it. And someone was asking me about this hair straighteners, iron and stuff like that. Although it's not allowed, but if you know, you know. That's all I would like to say. So in the mess you do not need plate, spoon and anything. They provide it there, and it's for your own convenience in the hostel room. So guys, I was editing the video and I realized कि दो clips जो है वो missing है. So I'm going to start from here. So उन दो videos में क्या था? The things you need to bring. Important documents, okay, for your college. जो भी उन्हें documents मांगे हैं, and pack your documents nicely and safely. And then let's talk about stationery. So I don't think you need to bring a lot of stationery stuff. You can buy it from here and order, because stationery का सामान चीज़ों को भारी कर देता है. But still, if you want to like bring its notebook, pen, pencil, eraser and folders, sticky notes, A4 size sheet paper. If you need calculator, bring calculator or pen drive. I think you should have a pen drive, because a lot of teachers like give study material in PDF forms, and you need a PDF to like you need a pen drive to get that PDF and stuff, or maybe not, because sometimes they share it on WhatsApp. And let's talk about your electronic gadgets. Your phone, obviously, charger, laptop charger, or if you want you can bring a power bank, although you don't need it, but still. And extension board for your like bedside table, and table lamp. I don't think it's a necessity. I mean, if your roommates are not okay with you keeping the lights on at the night for you to study, so I think you should have a table lamp if you are someone who like to study at night. And alarm clock, I don't think you need it, but still, if you want, you can have a clock. And for you also need, for laundry you need a detergent, that brush to wash your clothes, a soap, that कपड़े धोने वाला साबुन, और yeah, and broom and dust pan. You can like ask your roommates to like, you guys can collect money and buy it together, or if you want by yourself, so you can do that too. And few more things that you should have is lock and key. Although cupboard do have locks, but few people do end up getting different kind of cupboards जिसमें आपको लॉक की ज़रूरत होती है अपना पर्सनल, so bring that as well. And first aid kit, bring your medicines like stomachache, headache, fever, painkillers, and also if some kind of medicine is recommended to you by your doctor, so pack them as well. And hangers for your clothes. Don't bring a lot of hanger, because there is no a lot of space, but still you can have 2 or 3 or 5 maybe. And snacks from your hometown, like whatever you like to eat. And what else? If you have issue with noise, earplugs, okay. Eye mask if you have issue with lights, because lights, some people like to sleep early and few do not. Or yeah, I think these would be the things that I wanted to include in my video. Yeah, that would be all from my side. And if I'm forgetting something, you can tell me in the comment section. I will let you know about that. And don't pack a lot of stuff, because it's like not very convenient. Because for me, I only bring like, not bring, I only bought a one bag with me, and it was the best thing I have ever done in my life. So these are the main things you want. There are like 2 things that I want to show you that you should have, because I think that's like essential, and that I will show you whenever I will go to my room. And what else do you need? Yeah, but make sure you have sunscreen, and lots of it. Wear it. yeah, that's all. And also, if you like want to ask me about any other stuff, you can like ask me in comment section. I don't think not things I don't think I would be able to answer all of the questions because I have exams, so that's why I'm not able to answer a lot of you. But still, you can like ask me question whenever my exams will be ending. I will try to answer it at that time. And and also I will make a video, one more video or two more video about the university, that would be about the things I think you guys should know about the university, and a few things like according to my experience. I will make a video about that in 2-3 days. I mean, around after my exams will end, I mean 25, 26, around that time. So make sure you watch that. It is, I wanted to show you two of these things. It's lactocalamine, or this is boric acid antiseptic powder. You should bring these two things from this specific brand, both of these, because जब तुम लोग starting में आओगे तो it's going to be very hot, or some of the people start to have like skin allergic reaction. For me, and the doctor here, they also recommend this, so it's better कि आप खुद ही लेकर खुद ही लगा लो. डॉक्टर के पास जाना ज़रूर, but use this one. And this one also, I got it by myself, but it worked very well. So yeah, these were the things I wanted to show you. Yeah, that's also bye. And yeah, so that's all I would like to say. And maybe this could be my last video, because maybe I don't have time even after exams, because things just keep adding on my plate. So maybe this is my last video. If it's my last video, I would like to say welcome to the university. And if you see me in university, come to me, say hi to me, talk to me. Maybe I look like a person who do not want to talk. Maybe I'm sitting like this, but you can still come to me. It's just my face, okay? Just come to me, talk to me, ask me. And yeah, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And a lot of videos related to university is going to come out soon, so make sure you are watching them as well. Bye.